kidding me? Who knows more?
Hey people, here's the 5200 series set US American military issue, and nobody guessed what was in there.
Actually, the first
As a matter of fact, everybody was pretty way off. So I'm going to pick it here and gut it, and we'll lay that one to rest.
I recommend to everybody who want to buy a car without pain and suffering. I just gotta say the buying experience up here in Myanmar was excellent.
There it is, open.
Do it all over again.
800-800-8553.
Hey, that's that repinning kit down there. The bottom container.
I'm coming. That's his.
Thank you.
If you know something wrong, if you're tough enough to come call it 1-888-STEVE-07. We'll see what happens. You haven't seen your son in 3 years, right?
Yeah, I was trying to.
You know what? Everybody on stage that hasn't seen him for years and years, every one of them tries. Every one of them tries.
Okay, you wanna be real? I even went to court and got child custody of my child.
Have you paid any money for your child?
Why? When I don't see him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, why? Why I don't see him?
So you haven't given dime one.
Would you?
Have you given dime one to your child?
Please.
Have you given dime one?
Huh?
Have you given dime one to your child?
Yeah,
You haven't given any money in 3 years.
You want to bet money I have?
What money do you
Okay,
have, child?
so
What little money
as for key pins,
I took money out my check a couple of times.
dropped one out the end there, but non-serrated.
Yes, I kept my job. Now try to see.
I'll show you here. I'll show you here. All these bottom key pins have no serrations. They're just normal.
I don't talk to him. I don't see him. So how?
I'm talking to you.
And now we'll see what's up in the Bible.
Have you given to your child in the last 3 years?
That for you?
Yeah.
Oh,
In the first position,
You don't want to answer. You don't want to answer, do you?
one regular
You
pin.
in jail this week? Did you go to jail?
In the second position,
No, I didn't go to jail.
You didn't go to jail?
one regular pin.
It wasn't this week, but it was like.
Oh, there we
In
go.
the third position,
That was last week.
one regular spool.
2 weeks ago.
Months ago.
And what did you go to jail for?
And in the fourth and fifth positions, also regular spools.
Code for selling drugs?
Basically,
So
I'm glad you find it so humorous.
it is good.
I guess I'll leave that
Do you think if your son
there because I have other issues to deal with. I was going to do this one here, but I'll do that in an upcoming vid. So yeah, there it is, guys. All regular key pins, 2 regular uppers, 3 regular spools. Not a serration in sight. So I hope that sets it to rest. Peace. Keep it legal. Have fun.